Hey, hi, all. If you are if you want to like copy paste the entire contents of all these files into a single file, and if you are doing it manually, right? Manually, like copy paste, creating an own Excel, and then copying the data inside this, and then pasting it into the Excel, and then again duplicating of another file into this. And if you are doing it manually, right? Definitely, you are wasting your hours and hours. Yes, I'll tell you the truth. This is really one of the worst and like very very manual work. You don't need to do it this manually. There is a simple Python code like which will like entirely do it within seconds. Within seconds, I'm saying it's not even minutes. Okay, means for example, the here like I have like just five number of files. Five. What if you have like a 10 or 50 or 100? How much time it will convince? Like for example, like you take the data of like this is like 487 KB, the time average time I'm saying, if an average time it takes 5 minutes for a single file. Okay, 5 minutes, or like max you take it at 2 minutes also. 2 minutes for a single file. If you have 20 files, like how much time it is, like 200 minutes you need to waste it up, but everything we can do it in seconds. So that's what we're gonna say today. Okay, so myself Vivek, so here like we will be learning a lot of like automations. So where and all like we'll be able to help you out in simplifying through Python, VBA and everything. So that will definitely help you in different cases. So that's the reason I am here. So definitely if you like these kind of videos, right, like the videos as well as like subscribe to this channel, and we'll get more number of automations for simplifying your lot of like Excel related works and your day-to-day productivity things. Okay, so without wasting much time, we'll quickly jump into our video for today. Okay, so as I said, right, so here like I have like five different set of files, and I want all this data into a single file. I don't need to like manually do this. I just have a simple code, Python code I have created. You don't need to have much technical knowledge and all. You just need to copy paste into a certain area and automatically run. Okay, I'll just show you a very live demo of towards. So manually, if I do it right, so you can see like it's 487 KB, 320 KB, and different set of files. I want all these files. Maybe I'll open you and show you like all these files how it is. Okay, so I'll just open up and show to you. So if you see here, this data has nearly like 2.8k lines data. Okay, again, the second data file has around this is for different set of data. So if you see here, it has around like nearly 455 d. So I want all these files into a single file. I need to like merge. So actually I just wanted to merge, but if I do it manually, right, how much time I need to do it? This is for simple like five files, but if it is more files, it obviously will take more time, right? So what I'm going to do is like, and also one key important point is all these data are into the same format. Now what I mean is like all the headers. So if you see here, all the headers will be the same, like same starting from the first ID, name, campaign, and everything will remain the same. If that is the case, only we can do this. If it is very jumbled, then it will be a wrong thing. So for example, if you have an inventory data or every month sales data, so obviously the sales data remains the data. I mean the header remains the same. Maybe the internal data differs. So in that case, this will be very much useful. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is like I want all this data into a single merged file. For that, I have already have a code. I'll tell you explain like what that code will work and how it will be done. Okay, so in order to get that code right, just command Python so that you will be getting that code. I'll be like explicitly sending to you. Okay, so quickly I'll jump to the video. So I'll just go into command prompt. I'm just typing CMD. Command prompt is open. So why I opened is that to show like how this is working. Okay. So there are like list of all five files. I'm just going to run this Python file. The command is like python merge.py. Okay, once I give this right, just within 3 seconds, you can see here the merged file has been created. So all these files has compressed and created. It didn't take a minute or just 3 seconds for all the five files, and it is different sizes files. I'll just open it and show for you. Like if you can see here, the first file had nearly 2.8k values, right? Now if you go and see at the bottom, it's like 5.6k. So all the five files has been merged here. You can see the different set of data available here. Like if I put it on filter, right, so there will be like different set of data each by row, and like a different number of so it just took me like nearly 3 to 4 seconds, guys. Believe me, just 3 to 4 seconds. Okay, so this is how we can build it up. I'll just quickly explain you the code, like how does it work. So I'm just using Pandas. So Pandas is one of the library for especially for Excel related works and all. And then I'm creating a folder containing CSV file because I am using CSV. So I'm just giving the folder path here. And this is a condition like it will be like list the folders, like all the files to be if it is like ending with CSV only, it will be taking. If you have an XLS file, you can update it according to like XLS. whatever is file. So I'm just using CSV, so that's the reason I've just kept it as CSV. And then save to check, it will be has a live condition whether to check whether it is a CSV files or available in the folder or not. If not, it will like move on to the next set of condition, no CSV files. And if it is available, it will move on like by to identifying the reading the files, every CSV files here, and then concatenate. So this is the function where all the files are getting concatenated and it is being merged into a single file. And then coming to like the merged file, so like we'll be like setting up the path, like the same path we'll be like say using this, so is that path, so that's what it's referring to. The same path, it will be like we'll be keeping that so folder we are mentioning here, and it will be termed as merge.csv. If you see here, like the file name would be like merge.csv. So same, that's the reason we have kept it like that. And finally, there will be a print condition like you would have seen in the command prompt, right? So I'll re-show you. So CSV files, that's the reason I have kept it here. You can directly run the Python file also. So for your benefit, like I have just completed here, like CSV files merged successfully and where it is being downloaded. So this is how guys we can easily able to like why coming to say is like, so there are like multiple use cases where on a daily work life, right? We